I'm excited. I've been putting this off the last 2 years, so this year I'm in it. First stop was Home Depot, where we picked up 16 planter blocks, 12 bags of soil, and 7 2x12s. Here you see my son's cutting in half 3 of those 2x12s. So we ended up with 4 8-foot sections and 6 4-foot sections. The original plan was for 2 4x8 boxes, but we ended up enclosing the corner, so we ended up with 2 4x8 boxes and 1 4x4 section. Here you see me double stacking the planter blocks and sliding the 2x12s into the slats of the planter blocks. This design was so quick and easy and didn't require any nails or anything, and I would recommend it to anyone wanting to get started with a raised garden. So this is the design we ended up with. 2 4x8 sections and 1 4x4 section. Plenty of room to grow. So next we come in and we layered the bottom layer with cardboard boxes. I pulled off all the stickers and labels and tape and just lined each one of the boxes with cardboard. And then we went in, and after wetting it down, the next layer we came in with was sticks and brush. So I have a wooded area behind my house. We were able to gather a bunch of sticks and branches that were already deteriorating, so they would work great for this. We filled that in with the branches, and then we came in on top of that with a bunch of lawn clippings. The next thing we did was come in with the soil, and guys, 12 bags didn't even put a dent in it, so we had to call out the big dogs. Went to a local landscaping company down the street and ended up getting a truckload of soil compost mix, and I paid probably half what I did for those 12 bags of soil and got a truckload. Go figure. So finally, we got them filled. Because, yeah, that was a task. So next up, I have to figure out how to critter-proof these garden beds.